Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows Server 2016 to your server, your computer you want to be using as a server. I'm using a virtual machine just so I can record this. So first you're going to start up your computer, and then you're going to have the Windows installation key in. So then when mine boots right to it, yours may not. You may have to press your hotkey to get into it. Normally it's F11, sometimes they're F2. It all just depends on your computer. So after you do that, next you're going to install. Going to wait for it to set up. Start. Alright. And you want the desktop experience because it makes everything a lot easier. Next. I accept. Next. Custom. Depends on how you want your hard drives. I only have one hard drive in it, and it's 100 gigabytes, so we're just gonna make the whole thing a partition. And then Windows makes its special partitions, and we just made one special partition. So next we install Windows. I will be back when this is completed. Okay, it looks like that part is complete. So now we're just waiting on it. Now it's rebooting. Again, you do not want to boot back into the CD. You're already done with the CD or flash drive, whatever you used for your installation. Sorry this is taking so long. It kind of gives you a feel of how long it takes, I guess. It takes a short amount of time, but it's also a long amount of time. So you want a very secure password. But you do not want to forget the password. So I'm going to make this something that I won't forget. It's rootkit, but we're going to spell it different. So it's going to be R00T KIT exclamation point. Oh, no, I wasn't typing. R00T KIT exclamation point. R00T KIT exclamation point. Okay, I'm not going to use that password, but you know. Something simple like that. So now you're set up with a secure password. Control Alt Delete. And type in that secure password that you just made. And you have just successfully installed Windows Server. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to be making a whole set of tutorials on how-tos for Windows Server, so please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.